Guys, nandito naman yung green berries. Yan. Ayan yung green berries. Ayan guys. Yan yung green berries. Ito guys. Yan. Try ko, kakainin ko. Good, sweet? Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet? Too much good eh.
It's better to do there.
Juice. Not compare the other too much. The other that like that is like a vinegar, sa?
Yeah.
This is good. Guys, ito yung green berries. Yan guys green berries. Yummy, sa? Not good. This is good juice. Juicy. Yummy.
I want.
Ano give for you? Like this. Agoy. Ay no.
I want.
Too much good this. Good. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's dark. It's dark.
Yeah. You try.
مثل هذا بس
You
dark.
try that. You try.
Hello.
You try. Hello.